Hey everyone, welcome to the video. And in this video, we're going to see how you can link your CSS file to the HTML. There are different ways. In the last video, I explained the different types of inputs available in the HTML, and there are the all inputs, which is I keep to explain, which is there is not a input type, but yeah, you can use it's like a lot of time people use it, and it is very important. It's like select, and if I put option over here, I have to give name the country. It's like uh, start with option value. I give to yeah second option US. So there are two options we see here. I do the three. Probably I will not pick. Yeah. This is not the right way. Like this is the right way to do that. Like selection name, and you can access it value CSS HTML. Yeah, like this is the input that I skip. But right now, just delete this code and work on how you can link HTML. So there is a three different ways to do that. So the first thing, let's take an input like so developers and the inline HTML tag, the inline style tag, which help us to write CSS. So the first thing, the CSS, and if I the color, the it's not doing this like free trade. It looks good, and yeah, this is the first way. The it's called inline CSS style tag, which we can add. Uh, like there is a thing which there's a style tag which you can write your CSS, customize your HTML component. So font size maybe a bold font size. We have to give 3 pw or something just like uh, 42 pixel. It will more and font weight will be like 700. It looks good. Font family you can uh, font family would be Cambria would be font family. There are different fonts which automatically you will get. So monospace or so yeah, like this is the way that you can modify your content, and the way we are using it like style tag. The inline that I'm talking is something works like this. So if you put style inline tag and color, if you give it to red, it will become red. So there is a thing called specificity in the CSS. So whenever you use inline CSS, it's a priority to set the element in the HTML document. This is the specificity rules, and then it's style tag. And the third way is to add external CSS file, which we are going to. The simple way to do that is like create file. So the CSS file will automatically link to the HTML document, and this is the HTML style tag which we use. The second way, and the first way is inline style CSS, which we use like this. This is the second way, and this is CSS which we are going to. So there are different selectors. So we are not going to do the selectors. So like what we are going to do, like let's take another. So let's started with the HTML code that we have written in the previous video, the HTML inputs, different types of input that we see, and just target them through the CSS file. So keep in mind the CSS tag works like this, and this is a style tag, the inline CSS. This is the external CSS that we are going to see. So you can access the input type submit. This is input type submit. So whenever the input type submit look we define, it will automatically call. So we give it border radius 5. This is input type submit button that we so just give padding to it. Like one W two will automatically become larger. Font size maybe 4 pixels. So yeah, this is how you can target, and if you want to target, just like put type, put uh, put type text maybe we are going to take. So if you put the input type text, so just text similar like apply border 5 pixels solid red. So it's automatically target the HTML input text. So these are the three things. These are the three different ways we can target a HTML document, HTML element through the CSS, inline, style tag, and the external. You can also do the CDN way as well. So you can put the CDN document, but this is something third party work. We are not going to go with it. So yeah, this is the three different ways you can add to CSS. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any doubts. Put in the comment. I will happy to reply all of them.